Group messages not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So what you can do over here is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to additional settings. Then tap on date and time and make sure that you have set the time for automatically. So you can just toggle this off and toggle it on back. After that, you can check if the group messages has worked or not. If not, you can just make a long press on the messages application, or you can directly go to the settings and then tap on apps and then manage apps. Now just wait for a while and the applications will be listed below. So just search for messages. Then here you can see the option of clear data. Tap on clear data and then clear cache. Then if it's possible, you can also delete all data. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the options available for the application. After that, the problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.